Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Julie. If you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for always coming back and engaging with my content. I truly appreciate. So today I managed to bring you guys the National Archives. Yeah? How many of you guys have been to the National Archives? Let's be honest. Comment down below if you have been. Honestly, the first building I was told to master in my head once I got to Nairobi was the National Archives. Immediately I got to Nairobi, Ngenzi Africa told me, please get this building, memorize it because this is a meeting place. This is the most building people will identify easily and where everyone knows. So in case you get lost, as long as you come to archives, you'll be safe and someone will be able to get you from there. So the most common building around town, I think it's CBD, that is National Archives. Everyone knows National Archives. That is the meeting place for most people. That is where you wait for, like if you're waiting for friends or something, you wait from there. And then there's another spot that is opposite National Archives. But mostly people will tell you, find me at archives, find me at archives. And surprisingly, most of us haven't been. I've been to that place multiple times, I have, but I hadn't gotten chance to get into the building. I didn't even know actually that they let people get into the building. I thought it was like a safe or a secure place that no one is allowed to get in. Surprisingly, one day I was waiting for some friends I was supposed to create content with, and they were taking so long, and I was advised to go in and check it out. I had no idea, you guys, that that place is open to the public, and I'm sure most people don't. Maybe Kenyans do. Let me know in the comment section below. But those that don't, guys, you're actually supposed to go and check it out. You're allowed to go and check it out. And today I'm going to bring to you guys some details that you need to know in case you haven't been. Yeah, I'm your plug. Anyways, the place is open from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And then Saturday, Sunday, and holidays, it's from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah, and getting in, you're supposed to pay a very little amount. So for Kenyans, adults pay 50 Kenya shillings, and then for kids, you pay 20 Kenya shillings. And then for the non-residents, which is the rest of us who are not Kenyans, you pay 200 Kenya shillings, which I believe is very affordable for the things that you're going to get to see. There's a lot of history in that building. There's a lot of things to know, guys. A lot. Anyways, that's the pricing. Hope you've gotten it. And then let's get into the nitty-gritty details. So this place was initially a commercial bank that was later transformed into a historical center where they store a lot of historical things about Kenya and also Africa and the rest of the world. Yeah. How did this happen? There's this guy, I hope all of you know him. He was the second vice president of Kenya, whose name go by Joseph Murubi. I hope I'm pronouncing the name well, but he was the second vice president of Kenya, Joseph Murubi, who donated the entire first floor of this building. He donated all those art pieces that he collected over time through his travels in Africa and the rest of the world. That was a very kind guy, right? He donated all those so that people can learn culture, learn Kenyan history, learn African history. There's a lot of things from Uganda, from DRC, from very many countries. So if you ever get time, please go visit the National Archives. I'm so sure you'll not regret it. I'm so sure you'll not regret it. I had so much fun. It was for a little while, but I had so much fun. I wasn't really allowed to shoot. That's why you're seeing like 3 screens. Hope you're able to get a few glimpses of what is happening. But yeah, that is National Archives for you. You're allowed to get in and tour the place. It's very affordable, just 50 Kenya shillings for the adults, 20 Kenya shillings for the little ones, and 200 shillings for the non-residents. So please go check it out. I'm so sure you'll find a thing or two. I was able to also go to the second floor, but that place, the guy told me I can't even take out my phone for some reason. I'm not allowed. There is a lot of politics on the second floor. For the ground floor, it's a lot of historical things. So hope you guys go check it out and enjoy. If you have been to the National Archives, Nairobi National Archives, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't, please go check it out. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things, guys. Thank you so much for supporting and being here with me. I truly, truly appreciate. Let's get into the video, enjoy some music as we look through some little bit of art. Yeah? Bye. Enjoy. It's not bye. Enjoy the video. My people, please forgive me for the format of the video, but I really hope that you're getting something out of it. It was so hard for me to get this video for you guys, but yeah, I tried, and I thought everything is content. Why not just change up a little bit of the format and still give my people a little bit of what is in the National Archives? Maybe someone will be motivated to go check it out. And if you do, come back and let me know what you thought about it, please. Yeah, I'm so sorry about the format of the video, but honestly guys, I had no other option. It's very, very hard to film with your phone in public places because most of them don't want you to, and that is what happened to me here. But yeah, I hope you get a little bit of stuff. Yeah, enjoy. have come to almost the end of the video. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Please like the video. Thank you so much for always being here. That's a little bit of the National Archives for you. I'll be linking a better video of National Archives in my description box below, so please check it out. There are very few of them online, so yeah, I managed to get a clear one that you guys can go and check out. I'll be putting it in my description box below. Please check it out. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.